Here I have WIKO Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open settings, then go to the accessibility, and then to TalkBack. Here you have to select this TalkBack here, and then enable this service. OK. Here you have this TalkBack tutorial.
TalkBack is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. TalkBack tutorial. Back button. TalkBack.
So if you want to disable this feature, just disable it here, like this.
Stop TalkBack. OK. TalkBack off.
And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.